One, two,
Ayan. Ito yung pa, may kadwa na ito yung apong flag flag ceremony lang, racing na, community na po ni Apo IT. Wala na flag ceremony lang, tahon yung ma-erase. Ito na dahil dyan, kasapay ko makakot agad ipol, pag na-erase tayo ko. Ito yung second time as a trial. Nakita minukaya mo lumad lang like yung good practices na adal na ay na panunod na senior citizen. Ganito talaga ang original plan ni every first month kaya pa ni senior citizens Alfonso to lead a prayer.
Heavenly Father, we come before you this morning with grateful heart as we gathered for this blessing ceremony. Thank you for the gift of a new day, for the opportunity to serve our community.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Hayang pag-ibig, sa silanganan, hayang ng puso, sa liko'y buhay, lupang hilingan, wika ng pag-ibig, sa kanlulungin, wika masisingin, sa nalagakulog, sa simoy at sa langit ko'y lugaw, ay nakangula, pawit sa paglayang itamahal, ang isang lang matawag mo'y kasumpay na nag-iibig, ang hindi na parang niyang kailan pang mahirap iibig, lumalang araw ng wala rin pasinta,
Dati basit na i-raffle ng pagas para kalagay senior citizen na yung matindaw. Santo, nakapita yung apo kaya matawid na dagos nakapita yun. Bumi na nasapa kayo, baka kayo nga at almusat. At agarudan, even kayo nga mensahe ni Honorable Evas, our very own Councilor of that.
Another purpose, yung kaya tayo ito eh. Kata, tapos mamitinar tayo i-controse yung gagawin. Yan? O. At dapat pagsusupadiyan, ikapanunutan, but you know, at the end, we need to work as one community. Why? Because after all, we belong to one republic. We belong to one barangay. We belong to one community. So, wala. Iyan, may maganda yung congratulations na kayo. Well, we are happy na nagkastuin na programa di barangay. And then, of course, sa may kuha, ang pamatay yung sityo.
Pwede mag-sponsor na ba po? Ha? Oo, pilipinan na ano, kung nag-aabo ka kita.
So ask for your generous blessings and guidance for all men and women in Gilgal, that they may be kept in your loving care and protection as they fulfill their duties and responsibilities in ensuring peace, order, security, and harmony in our beloved country.
Lord, serve them from every danger and harm of body and spirit, from their loved ones.
We entrust them all to the maternal protection of the Blessed Virgin Mary and to the patron of the soldiers, saintly mercies of the Lord.
And for the law enforcers, help them, Lord, to perform their duties with love and fidelity.
Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Before we proceed with our program, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of our officials who have arrived here at our event area. Of course, we would like to as well acknowledge the presence of the Honorable City Councilor Jose.
Sa ating mga matatapang na veterano at kanilang mga pamilya, sa ating sakitang lakas, sa mga uniform services na dalang na panahon, kapwa ng bayan at pinamahal natin mamaya at iba't ibang. Today we gather to commemorate the 81st anniversary ng buhay sa kasalukuyan natin paglilingkod sa ating bayan at sa pamumuhay sa araw-araw. Ang tunay na kalayaan ay hindi lamang paglaya mula sa paniniin, kundi paglaya mula sa kaliwalian, kawalan ng katarungan.
Strategically position between two huge rock formations was very well fortified. One attempt conducted in 1917 when the fortified claimed the life of private country Sarian and Tayogo.
Carantes Jr.
The part 4 of this is the oath in Tayaw, but before the oath in Tayaw, there's a request for Mr. Pasyante Balnes to